Hello, learners. So this is the second part of this chapter, and in first part, the last topic was factors affecting climate, and in that part we discuss about the latitude, altitude. Okay, and today we will discuss about the pressure and surface wind. So I was telling you about the pressure, and one half portion I told you that students firstly it's we try to understand what is pressure. Okay, so suppose this is I'll go through the diagram. So let's try to understand it. Suppose this is the land portion. Okay, or this is the ocean portion. This is ocean and this is land. So I just recall it because in previous part I have explained this topic. On this you can see air is present here, right? Here also air present. So if the season is of summer, so that the air presence on land, because land's heated very fast. Okay, and you know और ये ठंडे भी बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो द एयर प्रेजेंस ऑन लैंड, सो द एयर वुड बिकम हॉट. ओके, एयर वुड बिकम हॉट, and during this time it rises up, right? It rises up. Okay, now whether the air presence on ocean, here also air present, it is not hot. Why? Because it takes time to, you know uh, it takes a little bit more time to hot this area, right? So it's not hot, so it will not rises up. Okay, ये rise नहीं होगा, right? But pressure on land will be low, right? Pressure on the land will be low. Why? Because the air pressure moves off. So यहाँ पे जो pressure है वो क्या है? यहाँ पे low pressure, and here air is present here. Okay, so it means high pressure is there, right? uh, so cold air does not rise up. This is very important point. Cold air does not rise up. This creates a region of high pressure. So wind blows due to this pressure difference. So wind blows from high to low. Okay, wind blows due to this procedure difference. So wind blows from high to low pressure, right? It is very important, student. Um this is the process of summer season. Okay, now very important, what happened in winter season. So in winter, this is a land and this is ocean, right? So what happened during this time, because land जो है वो कूल होते हैं, ठीक है, एज आई सेड कि बहुत जल्दी गर्म होते हैं और बहुत जल्दी ठंडे हो जाते हैं. सो इफ़ द सीजन इज़ विंटर, सो दैट टाइम इट इज़ कूल नाउ and ocean gets hot, right? Now if this area is, you can see hot area it is, so this time pressure air rises up, and here there is no extra pressure, so it means it will not rise up. So it means यहाँ पे high pressure रहेगा और यहाँ पे एयर ऊपर को चलेगी, तो इट मीन्स यहाँ पे लो प्रेशर रहेगा, जस्ट अपोजिट. ओके, सो इट प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन रेनफॉल. हाउ? इन लैंड पोर्शन यहाँ पे क्या होता है, क्योंकि लैंड में जो विंड ब्लो करती है इट्स ड्राई, एंड द विंड ब्लोज थ्रू ओशन, it takes moisture. Okay, moisture, because water is there, it convert into vapor, so it takes मॉइस्चर, ठीक है। अगर मॉइस्चर होगा वाटर वेपर के थ्रू जो है इट कैरीज मॉइस्चर, सो इट क्रिएट्स रेन। ओके, सो एयर above ocean is rich in moisture, okay, but air above land is dry. So wind rich moisture can cause heavy rainfall. जिस विंड में मॉइस्चर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है इट कैन कॉज हैवी रेनफॉल। क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द प्रेशर and wind. You can see here this is a surface wind, and here this is the equator portion, and here you can see this is the equator portion which is intertropical convergence zone, and here is the northeast wind. So यहाँ पे आप you can see because sun का effect इस पे direct पड़ रहा है, that's why यहाँ पे here you can see high, यहाँ से जो है ये एयर क्या होती है मूव करती है, सो दैट्स वाई यहाँ पे क्या रहता है लो प्रेशर रहता है, एंड व्हेन इट मूव्स अप, सो यहाँ पे आकर के जब ये आते हैं तो यहाँ पे अगेन इट विल बी हाई प्रेशर, ओके, देन हियर ऑल्सो हाई प्रेशर, सो इट मूव्स फ्रॉम व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू एट दैट टाइम कि ऑलवेज इट मूव्स टू हाई टू low. Okay, wind always moves, blows to high pressure to low pressure. Okay, so this is about this picture. Now next is low and high pressure. You can see here through this picture, this is Arabian Sea, this is Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, and यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि जब wind blows from this portion, right, it carries moisture, and during this time the और जो हवा यहाँ से चलेंगी बिकॉज इट गोज फ्रॉम दिया देर इज़ नो लैंड पोर्शन, हेयर इज़ नो लैंड पोर्शन, सो इट कैरीज दिस विंड इज़ ड्राई, ओके, ड्राई विंड डज नॉट कैरी मॉइस्चर, ठीक है। सो हियर यू कैन सी द पिंक वन इज ऑफ प्रेशर इन समर एंड दैट वन इज pressure in winter, okay. Now next is about the distance from sea, ठीक है, distance from sea level, it is the fourth factor which is affecting our climate, right. So students, here I told you the interior part of the earth, like what I told you, coastal part में changes नहीं आते temperature में, but we can see the interior part of country, it affects a lot, okay. So the this areas variation ज़्यादा होता है, but in coastal areas we cannot see the variations in climate. So due to change in direction of winds in coastal areas, land to sea or sea to land, okay, land to sea और सी टू लैंड, ओके, जस्ट अपोजिट मैंने बोल दिया है, लैंड टू सी और सी टू लैंड. सो क्लाइमेट रिमेन्स मोर इक्वेबल और मॉडरेट देन इंटीरियर पार्ट. सो यहाँ पे चेंजेस नहीं आते बिकॉज इट यहाँ पे जो बैलेंस कर लेते हैं, बट इन द इंटीरियर पार्ट वी कैन सी एक्सट्रीम चेंजेस, राइट. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज ओशियन current. Okay, before this just explain about ocean current. Okay, firstly I will explain it. Ocean current, so on the map of world you have to concentrate in ocean part. Okay, in this part you have to concentrate. This is ocean part. So water is ocean flows in a particular pattern. Okay, it flows in a particular pattern. These directed movements to ocean water is called ocean current. ये जो movement होते हैं water के in a pattern, this is called ocean currents. So there are warm ocean currents and cold ocean currents. So red one you can see, जो red है वो warm currents है and indicate by blue arrows. These are cold ocean currents. Okay, so students, now how it affects the climate? Very simple. When warm ocean currents make contact with the land, okay, जब ये warm currents means ये red one जब ये contact में आते हैं land के, okay, this contact with a land, they increases the temperature of land. ठीक है, ये क्या करता है, उस land के temperature को increase कर देता है, right? So this is called ocean currents. I'll tell you some more points regarding this, but in ocean currents it is enough to understand it, otherwise you will be confused. So what I told you, water currents are this is the pattern, and there are two types of currents are there, warm currents and cold currents. The red one is warm and blue one is cold current. Okay, and one more important thing which I said to you, they increase temperature when, yes, when warm ocean currents, warm in the sense red one, when it currents make contact with land, that time they increase the temperature of land, right? Okay, now next is relief. Okay, relief. So students, relief too plays a major role in determining the climate of a place. High mountains act as barriers for cold or hot winds. What I said, like mountains, okay, tall mountains, plateaus, plains, it affects a lot. Means the phenomena of the variation in elevation of area of the earth. कि जब अर्थ में कोई भी चेंजेस होते हैं लाइक दिस, और यू कैन सी सम प्लेटोज, सो इट अफेक्ट्स द क्लाइमेट. ओके, सो इट इज कॉल्ड द सरफेस, द अर्थ सरफेस इज कॉल्ड रिलीफ. Okay, so climate can be affected by mountains, plains and plateaus. Okay, so here you can see it affects the climate. Why? In this portion it affects the climate. Why? Because of the Western Ghats. Okay, so the high mountain act as a barriers. यहाँ पे जो वेस्टर्न घाट है इट्स एक्ट लाइक अ बैरियर फॉर हॉट एंड कोल्ड विंड्स. सपोज wind blows from this portion, okay, and there is a big mountain, so it will be stopped here now, it will work as a barriers. So wind blows in the this direction, but what happened, and these barriers also cause rainfall also. How? Suppose this is mountain, ये यहाँ पे इसको रोक देगी, ठीक है. If wind carries moisture, so it will create clouds here, because it is now no way to move, so it will यहाँ पे precipitation, ये एक process work करेगा and it will create a clouds, and after that यहाँ पे rainfall हो जाएगी, ठीक है. if wind have moisture. ओके, सपोज आफ्टर दिस यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं, तो मीन्स कि ये जो विंड है ये यहीं पे रुक जाएगी, इट विल नॉट कम इन दिस साइड. ओके, सो क्लाइमेट विल बी डिफरेंट हियर. हियर क्लाइमेट विल बी डिफरेंट एंड इन दिस पोर्शन क्लाइमेट विल बी डिफरेंट. Okay, so and these barriers also cause rainfall, which I said to you, and if they lie in the path of rain bearing winds, so the opposite side of mountain, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, that is leeward side, it is called leeward side remains dry, ये area remains क्या रहेगा, dry रहेगा. Okay, so what I said, it carries moisture. Okay, so यहाँ पे ये rain होगी, and in the another side clouds form, then rainfall. Now tell me students, what will happen in the another side of mountain? यहाँ पे बारिश होगी या नहीं? No, because this area is leeward side, which is called shadow region. Okay, this region will be called shadow region. लीवर्ड साइड इस पोर्शन को कहा जाएगा क्योंकि ये ड्राई एरिया है. ओके, it will remains dry. Now next is jet stream. I will explain in the next video. Okay, so till then, thank you so much.